Welcome back, everybody. Today I got myself a Rolls-Royce Phantom 118, but this isn't any model car. This one is just a little bit different. Now, before we go further into this, let's have some fun. I am going to put 3 facts about the Rolls-Royce on the screen. You tell me which one you think is true. I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. And the correct answer would be B. The lights and horn actually work. So we'll go ahead and start unboxing. We'll start by breaking the tape. And here it is in all its glory. The mirrors actually fold in. The fuel door actually opens. The hood actually has the Spirit of Ecstasy in the front. And in the trunk, you also get this suction cup that opens the doors. Right here underneath the car, you have your battery compartment. You have a little push pin that opens the hood so you don't have to touch the hood. And then your light switch. So we'll go ahead and pull that little tab out, turn the lights on, and check that out. Even the tail lights turn on. Then hit that tab again. The lights will turn off, but this is where it gets a little more fun. Push down on the hood. Open the door. Kind of an alarm sound. Okay, nothing happens with the back doors. We'll go ahead and try the passenger. Same thing, sets the alarm off. Interesting, nothing happens with the back doors. Maybe if I close the front doors? Yeah, nothing with the back doors. You do, however, get your Rolls-Royce umbrellas on both sides. It's pretty cool. Most of these models, these would just be like a little molding that kind of sticks out representing the umbrellas. This car actually has dash lights. First model I've ever seen where the interior actually lights up. and even a horn so you can tell those annoying poor people to get out of your way. And if you don't want your Spirit of Ecstasy out, it hides away just like on the actual vehicle. Because you got to watch out for those people that make less than $300K a year. Whew, they are something. In the car, you even get the Starry Night ceiling, which actually changes colors. And this, in the actual vehicle, is supposed to be an upgrade. Here's the vehicle in the dark. The headlights, the Spirit of Ecstasy lit up. The tail lights. The dash lights. And your Starry Night ceiling. And one more thing. Remember being a kid and getting toy cars that do that? I can't demonstrate it too much on this small table, but you pull it backward, it shoots forward. It even moves like a luxury car. The only thing I've noticed here is, on the driver's side, my marker light is on, but it's not on the passenger side for some reason. I'm not going to make too big a deal about it. It's just going to sit on display with the lights off 99.9% of the time anyways, but just a little thing. This is probably the longest video I've ever done on a model car, but this one is so unlike any others too. This car also comes with a story, by the way. So my wife got me this for Valentine's Day. When they delivered it, it was that rare occasion Roxy decided to bark at someone who was at the door. And they didn't even box it up. It literally came to me like this. So I tell my wife I'll just put it up and pretend I didn't see it until Valentine's Day. So now she's mad because the surprise is ruined. But I did get a nice box of chocolates as a surprise, so there is that. Either way though, still a nice car. I'm just ready for somewhere to display them all. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys next week.